Okay guys, so it's finally here on my desk, the special mystery package from AMD. I've been waiting from such a long time and finally got my hands on them. Yes, this is exactly what you guys think it is. It's a special package from AMD which consists of the brand new Radeon Navi GPUs, the RX 5700 and the 5700 XT. AMD has launched these new GPUs today and I'm super excited to see how these brand new GPUs look like and what kind of performance they're going to offer. So let's get started with the video. So the GPUs come in this simple looking cardboard box, nothing much written on it. Let's unbox it and check out the GPUs. Let me grab my knife and tear the packaging. I want to thank AMD for sending me these products for review. Alright, let's open it and check out what do we have on the inside. Okay, looks like there's a lot of thermocol in the box, and over here we've got two boxes. Let me show you. Yes, finally, the brand new Radeon GPUs. This is the new Radeon RX 5700. Then I guess the other one must probably be the RX 5700 XT. These are the brand new Navi 10 GPUs powered by AMD's RDNA architecture. The company has completely revamped the design starting from the ground up to offer superior performance and also power efficiency using an advanced 7nm process technology. Yes, you heard me right, they're based on a 7nm process. Both these GPUs feature redesigned compute units to deliver amazing performance at a very reasonable price tag. And not only that, they come with some really cool features which I'll tell you guys in this video. So let me just tear the packaging and show you the GPUs. First, let's start with the Radeon RX 5700, which is the little brother of the 5700 XT. So here it is guys, our new Navi GPU. The RX 5700 comes in this sort of box packing. It says Radeon RX 5700 on the front, and going to the back you've just got the AMD branding. And that's it, there's nothing much written on it. So let me open the box and show you how the new GPU looks like. Here we go. On opening the box we got some paperwork at the top. It's a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them. Let me keep them aside and take the GPU out. The packaging quality looks nice. You've got the Radeon branding at the top, and below that we've got the GPU. So here it is guys, the much awaited Radeon RX 5700. This is how it looks like. It's got a traditional blower style design with a single fan on the front, and since this is the much more affordable and budget variant, it's got no backplate also. But seriously, who cares? We're all concerned only about the performance. You've got the Radeon branding on the front, and the design looks clean and simple, just like how a reference card would look like. So let me give you an overview and talk about the features. The RX 5700 features 36 compute units and can reach up to 7.95 TFLOPS. The GPU uses two power connectors to run. One is a 8-pin connector and the other is a 6-pin connector. And both the new Radeon GPUs come with 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory. Talking about the clock frequencies, it's got a base clock frequency of 1465 MHz and a boost clock frequency of to 1725 MHz. So let me show you the available connectivity ports. This GPU has 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and also a HDMI 2.0. So that's it, these were all the available connectivity ports on it. Now talking about the performance, AMD says that the RX 5700 delivers an average of 10 to 15% higher performance over the RTX 2060 for the same price of around $349. Now that sounds awesome, right? But we'll have to put it to a performance test before I can actually confirm that. So that was our quick look at the RX 5700. Now let me also unbox his bigger brother, the RX 5700 XT, and show you how it looks like. There we go. So the 5700 XT comes in a different style box and definitely looks a bit more premium than the previous one. You've got the AMD Radeon branding on the front, and that's it, there's nothing else written on it. So let me just cut the seal, open the box and show you the GPU. Here we go. Ta-da! Here it is guys, the brand new Radeon RX 5700 XT. Holy moly, just look at the design! It's got a completely different design compared to the RX 5700. Wow, this thing looks beautiful guys. Like seriously, it's got a unique contour design with a bend on the front to say that this GPU is built to bend the rules. Now that's a quite unique way to express. Going to the top, you've got the Radeon logo that is also backlit, and on the right side you've got the power connectors. Just like the previous one, you need to connect an 8-pin plus 6-pin power connector to run this beast. Even this is a blower style reference card, but it looks way more stylish and definitely looks premium for the price tag. You've got the Radeon branding everywhere, and talking about the features and the specs, the RX 5700 XT packs 40 compute units and can reach up to 9.75 teraflops. It's got 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory just like the 5700, has a base clock frequency of 1605 MHz and a boost clock frequency of 1905 MHz, which is 180 MHz more than the 5700. And talking about the display outputs, you've got 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and a HDMI 2.0 which supports up to 4K 60 output. And talking about the performance, AMD says that this beast even beats the RTX 2070 by an average of 15% for a price tag of only around $399. That is awesome, right? I'm very excited to put both the Radeon GPUs to a test and see how they perform compared to the RTX GPUs. So guys, I'll be posting the gameplay benchmark videos very soon for both these GPUs, so let me know which games you want me to test on them, and also do you want a comparison between these and the RTX GPUs? Leave all your thoughts in the comment section down below. Well, that was a quick unboxing and first look at the brand new Navi GPUs from AMD. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.